May it please, my lord. This
Yes.
is an application under section 482 for quashment of a case under section 12 of the DV Act. Applicant number 1 is the husband, 2 and 3 are mother-in-law, father-in-law respectively, 4 and 5 are the brother-in-laws. The marriage was solemnized on 2/5/22, my lords, and immediately after marriage, like 10 days after marriage, the respondent went back to her paternal house. And applicant number 4 and 5 are residents of Bahrain. They have been living in Bahrain since 2017 and 2021. Lords, a plain reading of the respondent's application would show that there is a noticeable propensity to over-implicate the entire family on omnibus allegations. They are just vague allegations. There are no specific allegations and no substantial proof has been adduced, my lords.
Who are resident of Bahrain?
Applicant number 4 and 5. And
ये तो आपने जयपुर का एड्रेस लिखा
no, my lords,
No,
I
Bahrain
have
is also there.
I have submitted under annexure A2.
ये कौन है? Who are they? 4 and 5.
4 and 5 are the brother-in-law, is the brother of applicant number 1, and they are residents of Bahrain.
And 5?
5 is also the brother-in-law, the brother of applicant number 1.
So what stay you want?
Stay on any proceedings under the complaint. Yes, no, my lords. Actually, the case is listed in the district court on 8/12/2023, and the summons have been issued. And applicant number 2 and 3, they reside in Jaipur. Applicant number 1 resides in Indore. Everybody
What is the
resides
ground
separately.
for quashing?
All the applicants reside separately, my lords, and there are telephonic conversations, my lords, which I have submitted under annexure A5, which clearly indicates that the conversation between applicant number 2 and the respondent, where they are conversing regarding the transaction of money, and the respondent is asking for 5 lakh rupees to sign on the divorce case, on the divorce papers. But as the applicant number 2 is denying paying rupees 5 lakhs, she has made a complaint under section 12 of the domestic violence.
2 is father-in-law.
2 is father-in-law, 3 is the mother-in-law. And
Notice to respondent. Payment of PF 7 days, returnable 4 weeks. Week commencing.
my lords, an exemption from personal appearance may be granted for all the applicants.
Who are elderly persons?
2, 3, 4 and 5. 4 and 5 are living in Bahrain. They are residents of Bahrain.
So they may appear through video conferencing, and nobody is a senior citizen.
2 and 3,
Who
they
is 50?
reside in Jaipur.
They can also appear. I'll grant them exemption. They will appear through video conference. Counsel appearing for petitioner has filed an application IA number so and so for grant of stay over further proceedings. It is submitted that applicant number 1, applicant number 2 and 3 are old persons aged about 55 and 51 years, whereas applicant number 4 and 5 are residents of Bahrain, and it is not possible for them to appear in on each date of the proceedings. In these circumstances, further proceedings we state. Heard the counsel for the parties, considering the fact that applicant number 2 and 3 are resident of Jaipur and are more than 55 years of age, and applicant number 4 and 5 are residents of Bahrain. In these circumstances, I deem it appropriate to order that said persons are at liberty to appear before the trial court through video conferencing. Trial court is directed to provide them facility of video conferencing for attending the case, for attending and participating in the proceedings. Copy be sent to trial court.
Obliged.